At Esprit Automation, we love solving engineering problems. For more than 30 years, we've applied our passion for solutions to industrial cutting applications. For customers seeking a cost-effective solution for heavy-duty, precision cutting and the increased flexibility of flame cutting, we developed the Cobra. The Cobra is available in a wide range of sizes and can be specified up to 3 meters wide and 12 meters long. Thanks to the increased gantry clearance height, the Cobra is ideal for cutting flat plate and steel sections. Since 1990, Esprit have partnered exclusively with Hypertherm, the world's leading plasma cutting system manufacturer. This 2 meter by 7 meter Cobra is cutting 8mm mild steel at 2.3 meters a minute at 130 amps with an XPR 300. The easy-to-use touchscreen control allows simple operation of the machine. Please get in touch for more information.